The previous lecture was the introduction to the course. In this lecture, I will explain you what you are going to see in each section. Here is the complete overview of the course. This course consists of 3 sections. Let's get started. In the section 1, I will explain you the basics of Clickbank. Here I have explained you about affiliate marketing and Clickbank clearly. And here I have also explained about advantages of being an Clickbank affiliate. In the section 2, I have explained you the effective blueprint to do affiliate marketing. This is actually a 11-step process and I will be explaining you everything in a step-by-step manner in this lecture. In this course, you will clearly learn about everything to do affiliate marketing through Clickbank. And also I will tell you how to get started with it. I will practically demonstrate how to create your own website in step-by-step manner. And also I will provide you the ways to enhance the traffic in your site to make your affiliate marketing successful. Then I will explain you how to grab your emails for email list. In the final section, I have explained you about software and its interfaces. This section is the most important part and core part of our course. I have particularly explained all the interfaces of this software in this section lively. I will also provide you the details about how to get the software in this section, so make sure that you are not skipping this section. Now I am sure that you are very clear with the overview of the course. You can use the discussion board if you have any queries or issues anywhere in the course. I will be replying you within 24 to 48 hours. Now let's get into the course.